Let us start question number 9. A field is in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 and 10 meter. Non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of this field. So I have drawn the trapezium for you. This is ABCD is a trapezium. So I am constructing a parallel side BE that is parallel to AD, right? So this become ABED is a parallelogram. Now I'm also drawing a perpendicular from B to DC, and this become a triangle BEC, right? If you want to find out the area of this ABCD, we just find out the area of ABED plus area of this triangle, right? So let us start. So we need to find out this length EC. EC can be find by subtracting this 10, because if you draw this line, this E point, this DE is same as 10 meter, right? And the whole we have given is 25. So what is remained here? 15, because 25 minus 10 is 15. I have done here, right? So all the sides we have here. So we can find the area of this BEC because we have all the three sides. So at first find the semi-perimeter, that is the sum of the side divided by 2. The sum of the sides 13, 14 and 15 meter is 42 meter. When you divide it by 2, you will get 21 meter. Now use Heron formula for finding the area, that is area of the triangle we can find by using formula. So S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C under the root. So S is 21, A is 13, B is 14 and C is 15. Just put all the values here because area, so it is in meter square. So 21 minus 13 is 8, 21 minus 14 is 7, 21 minus 15 is 6. Let us factorize. 21 can be factorized as 7 3s are 21. 8 can be factorized as 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. So 2 square into 2. So 7 into 6 can be factorized as 2 3s are 6. Let us check the powers. Here 7 comes 2 times, so power will be 2. Here 3 comes 2 times, so power will be 2. This 2 square forward as it is, and these 2 are 2 times, so power will be 2 with meter square. So let us solve the powers. Let us solve the powers with square root. So it becomes 7, it becomes 3, it becomes 2 and it becomes 2. When you multiply, you will get to 2s are 4, 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84 meter square. This is the area of the triangle, right? And also we can find the area of the triangle by using half into base into height. If we have given height means perpendicular, and we have drawn a perpendicular, here, so we can find the area of this triangle by using the same formula, 1 by 2 into height into base, and also by Heron formula we got 84, right? So this is nothing but 1 by 2 into height into base. Height we have find because this height will be useful to find the area of parallelogram. So base we have 15, so it is multiplied by height, 1 by 2 into 15 into height equal to 84 meter square. Now you can find the height from here. 84, this 2 comes to numerator and 15 comes to denominator after transposing. See, nothing is cut here, so we will multiply this. 2 4 is 8, 2 8 just 16 by 15. So if you divide this, you will get 11.2 meter, right? This is the height. So area of the ABED, as you see, area of this ABED is a parallelogram. 13 13 10 10, as you see, opposite sides are equal, so this is an parallelogram. So we need the height. So this is the height of this parallelogram. It is outside, it's okay. If you want to draw here the height, it will be similar to that, right? So this is we got from this triangle is 11.2. This is also 11.2 now, right? So we just use the formula height into base. This is the area of parallelogram. This is parallelogram ABED, height into base. So height we got 11.2, base was 10 meters. So if you multiply these two, you will get 112 meters square, right? Now we have to find the area of the field. I told you it was the area of parallelogram plus area of the triangle. So area of the parallelogram I got 112 and area of the triangle we got 84. If you add, we get 196 meter square. This is the area of the parallelogram. See, area of the parallelogram, this 112 meter square, right? And area of this triangle is 84 meter square, right? And if you want to find out the whole area of the field, you have to add these two, right? So 112 plus 84 is the area of whole field, right?